Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Raisen and you guys are watching Rice Fix, and on this channel we put car and motorcycle repair videos, and in this video I will show you guys how to remove or replace a car door handles. So it's going to be a very interesting video. If you're coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends and family. So come on, let's start the video. So to remove or replace the door handles, the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to take out your door back panel. I've already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screens. You can later go there and watch that video as well. So once you take out the back panel, this plastic you will have to pull in a very relaxing manner and put it on the side like this. You must not tear this plastic is very important here. So once you put it on one side, you will see the door handle mechanism from the inside of the door panel. Now for this door handle there will be a rod connected, and this rod is locked by a plastic clip lock. Now this plastic clip lock you will have to use a screwdriver and pull it up like this, and once you do that you can now slide the rod out from the loop easily like this. So once you take that out, you will notice that there is a screw here. So take a screwdriver and loosen this screw completely. You don't have to take it out completely, you only have to loosen it, and once you loosen it you will have to take a 10mm socket, and you will notice that there is a bolt here. This bolt you will have to take out completely. So here I am making use of a cordless drill, but you can even make use of a T-spanner and take this bolt out easily. Once you take out this bolt, then comes a very important step and very crucial step, and that is this part is clipped on here on the inside. Now this clip you will have to slightly push from the inside. Now this clip can easily break, guys, so you will have to be extremely careful here. So once you push that, you will notice that this part is come out slightly from this side. So now pull the door handle and take this part out completely. So this is the part which is clipped on from the inside. So you will have to be extremely careful while taking this out, because many people break this while taking this out. So once you take this part out, now to take out this door handle, it is very simple. You only have to slide this door handle to your right like this, and when you slide it like this, I will show you from the inside how it looks like and what happens. As you guys can see, it gets unlocked here from the inside as it is clipped on from inside. So once you slide it, you'll have to pull your door handle from one side like this and take it out completely. If you don't slide it, you will have a tough time taking it out, and you might even break the clip. So here my door handle is now totally separated from the door. Now if you want to replace the inside part of this door handle, then you will have to take out this plastic gasket like thing which is there on top here. Remove it and keep it in a safe place. Now if you come very close to the door handle, you will notice that this part is clipped on to the door. So while taking it out, you'll have to pull it on one side like this and slide it this way. So now I will go on the inside, and here I have pulled my part, and now I have slided it out, and here my part is now totally separated from the door. Now if you come on the inside, I will show you how it looks like. Here I have pulled my part on one side, and then I slide it on the right, and this part will now come out easily. Now this part is screwed right here, but this screw you have already loosened, that is why it is come out easily. So now we will go near the back door, because the back door system is slightly different from the front door, because to access the bolt of the rear door you will have to go through this hole. So to access this, it is slightly difficult, but if you are using a T-spanner, then you can easily loosen this. But I am making use of a cordless drill, so on my drill I will put an extra extension like this so that it becomes longer and it will reach the bolt easily. So here I have already taken out the rod from the loop, and the front screw also I have already loosened, so that I can quickly show you what is to be done. And now I have loosened this bolt as well. Now sometimes this bolt will stay there, it will not come out, so let it be there, because while putting it will be easy. And the next step is take a screwdriver and unclip that part, which is a very crucial step. You guys know that, so be extremely careful here. So take a screwdriver and push the clip slightly, then come on the other side, pull the handle, and while keeping the handle pulled, take this part out easily like this. And as you guys can see, this bolt is connected to this part, but my bolt is still there inside. You guys can see that. Now to take the door handle out, slide the door handle on one side like this, and then pull it out like this. So here comes out my rear door handle. And how to take out the inside mechanism you guys know already, but how to put this entire thing back, that I will show you now. I will demonstrate it on the rear door, because the front door is slightly easy, and if you know how to put it back on the rear door, then the front door you will put back easily. And as you guys can see, this is the rod lock. Inside this loop the rod goes. Now how to put all this back, that I will show you now quickly. So put this mechanism inside first. So the first thing that I will do is I will put the locking mechanism rod inside the loop, because if you fix the mechanism and then try to put the rod back, it can be slightly difficult. So once you put back the rod inside the loop, now you will have to press the plastic lock on top of the rod like this, and here your rod is now locked. Now put the mechanism in position. You guys know that it is clipped on to the door, so that clip should come out from the outside of the door like this. So here my mechanism is now clipped on to the door. So once it is clipped on like this, you will have to put back this screw which you had taken out. Once you put back the screw, the two plastic parts which you had taken out, now it's time to put them back. And once you put both of them back, get the door handle, put it inside on one side first like this, then align it nicely, then slide it and lock it. Once you lock that, pull the door handle and put that part back. And once you put that part back, come on the inside of the door and tighten this bolt. So as you guys can see that I have tightened this bolt already. Once you tighten this bolt, put back the plastic tape which was there on this door, stick it back. Once you stick it back, and before you put back the back panel, open the door and check if it is opening and closing properly. And with this, you now know how to replace door handles of the entire car. So if you want to watch more repair videos, then I have put here more videos for you to watch. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.